Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 358, Technical Analysis, Crypto and Stocks. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Link is in the description, guys. So it's a link to the amazing articles I'll cover here on this awesome stream. Now, thank you for being here. Andrew, thank you for being here, man. Steve, thank you for being here. And Jake, thank you for being here. Steve saying, Andrew, I'm going to have to teach you how to pay me your sats, bro. Okay. Yeah, teach Andrew how to pay you. Sorry, guys. Something was in my mouth. Let's jump onto crypto, right? And figure out what's going on with crypto today. Total market cap. Let's go there. Alright, so what's happening with market cap? We managed to get above that 20, right, briefly, which is okay. We managed to jump up above that 236, which is also okay. We've faced rejection at the 382, right? Look at that, beautiful. Went up, hit there, right? That 382 sitting at $324.90 billion. We actually did hit a high of 325.09. So, you know, a couple $1 billion off, but that's fine. Like within a billion, right? Right now, moving down again, coming down a little bit here on the of the 20 moving average, right after rejecting that fib node, the 382. Yesterday, $17.37 billion came in, and today, you know, just $1.12 billion going out right now. We still have 21 hours to go, 21 hours and 49 minutes. We're going to figure out what's going to happen here throughout the day. Again, still, we have strong bullish divergence, might still come into play. We'll see how we're going to handle that 20 today. And then we're going to determine what we might do. On that note, Bitcoin dominance at 61.68% of market cap. Again, we had the bearish divergence, we moved down, hit that 20, took a bounce. Right now we're going higher, and now we wouldn't have anything if we just go higher. So on that note, we're not creating anything bearish here. Again, still, yesterday Bitcoin lost dominance, right? And look at what happened to the value of Bitcoin. It actually gained value. So again, you know how we said they're inversely correlated. Yeah, so you want Bitcoin to lose dominance so that Bitcoin may go up in value. Yesterday it lost 0.67%. Today is losing 0.60%. But right now Bitcoin's still going a little bit down on price today. Nothing to worry about. It's sitting at $10,700.72 now. Where are we at, man? Well, here, right, we didn't have anything on the daily that we could go with, right? So we're just waiting for something to develop. Here we came lower, again lower, right? All things good. Now, we took a bounce at support at 10,243, which we knew we were going to get there because we had divergence, bullish divergence on the 4-hour and the 1 hour. So we knew we were going to move up. Bitcoin had it, Ethereum had it. We talked about that. We said, look, it's very strong. We have a couple of charts. Tomorrow might we be playing action to the upside, right? And look at that, beautiful, man. We run the whole way up to this level, right? Almost getting close to that 10,837. I think the high we got was 10,792, so almost that 10,800. You know, within $50 off on a move, which is not that bad, really, considering the price of Bitcoin. But again, I would have really loved to see this hit that area of resistance, right? Because we are creating bearish divergence now on the shorter time scales, and that's why we're moving down, right? We're consolidating. Now we managed to get another move up, and right now we're getting the pullback that happened with that bearish divergence that we created. Anyways, potential target right now, that 10,647, right? I was almost positive that we're going to hit that 10,837. Again, we didn't get it. But I'm happy where things are at here, right? Anyways, RSI, 48.76. Let's go to the 4-hour, right? Again, we had the bullish divergence, right? We called that one out yesterday. Look at that. We took a nice rally. Now, what's happening here, right? We're creating a hidden bearish here, right? I do believe this here, it's positive, right? All this is positive here. We even have that small green here. Right, so we're coming from a high point to a lower point in the price, and we're going higher on that MACD, right? So with that, we are creating the hidden bearish divergence that is having us play to the downside right now. Look at that, right? From here to here, right? High to lower high, positive momentum to more positive momentum. So we're making a lot more positive momentum, but we're failing to go higher in price, right? That's why we're creating this hidden bearish, and that's why we're moving down. We don't have it against the RSI. That's fine, just sitting neutral at 56.98. So let's go to the 1 hour chart and figure out what's happening there, right? On the 1 hour, I'm this chart is missing 1 hour, by the way, for some reason, right? Look, it goes 5, right? 17 hours, 18 hours, and then it just goes to 20 hours, right? It's missing the 17, sorry, the 19-hour candle, right? So the 7 p.m. candle. But it doesn't matter because we still have the divergence that, you know, I was looking out for throughout the day. Again, we had the strong bullish. We knew we were going to rally. That was fine. We got above the 20 beautifully. And then we just kept on rallying, right? So that was good, right? Nothing to worry about there. Here is the divergence that I was worried that we're going to create. And I was really hoping that we were going to create this divergence a little bit higher on the value of Bitcoin, right? Like hitting resistance, right? That would have been a beautiful area to create that divergence and then break down. But we still have that to here, right? I mean, we do have that green bar that is also going less positive momentum than the prior one, and then also on the RSI we're coming in slightly lower, right? So again, we have strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, and that's why we're moving down here on Bitcoin, right? Hey, Cryptic, how's it going, bro? Thanks for being here. Anyways, moving down, potentially hitting that 10,600. We might try to recover here. We could try to go for another pump to the upside, right? It's not unheard of. Though we try once more, then probably fail and break down, or maybe even get to that 10,800, create more bearish divergence from here to a lesser island still. Then move down. Right now, it looks like we want to recover a little bit, and you know, that's fine here. Sitting bought at 65.46 on the RSI, and again, I told you guys we impulsed up, right? We started to consolidate. We said that on the Discord. We were looking at that consolidation happening. And I talked about like breaking to the upside, right? And that's what we're doing. So on that move, again, targeting that 10,800. We haven't hit it yet. Pulling back down, that's fine. Not worried about this yet. Hitting that 10,600 would get me worried if we break below it, but we managed to hold on to that. We could maybe try to go for another rally. Still yet to be determined. But that's what's happening here. And just so you know that this is missing, like I'll show you in this chart, right? This one has all the bars, right? Impulse up. It looks like consolidation, right? It's all the same, right? Look, we're going up here, and then we just started to come slightly lower, right? So we're flagging, right? Now we're pumping up, and now we're flagging again. It looks like we could try to go for another rally here. That's why I believe we could try to go slightly higher, and I wouldn't be too worried about this yet, right? Gotta wait for that to finish developing. Let's go to Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? Ethereum sitting at 347 buckaroos. 347.24, right? Again, support, rallying. We didn't go for the 20. That was one of the targets that we called for. We haven't gotten there yet. We haven't gotten to 364 either. I did play some fibs in another chart for someone yesterday, I think. I can't remember which chart it was, though. We'll keep on looking. Maybe it wasn't a shorter time scale, but I did some short-term fibs where we placed something like better targets, let's say, right? Anyways, hidden bullish. Sorry, strong bullish action to the upside on the daily, right? Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, we had strong bullish, keep taking that rally to the upside right now. Same thing that's happening with Bitcoin, right? Look, previous positive momentum island, right? Going in higher, right? More positive momentum. So we're starting to create hidden bearish. And that's probably why we're stalling here now. I don't really have to anchor from here to here, but if I just go from here to here, it's the same. I just want to keep it a little bit clean here. Can I take a look at Stake, XDAI chain that powers Honey? Yeah, sure, bro. We can look at Stake. Talking about steak makes me hungry, but we're gonna look at steak. What's with crypto being named after food now, man? Like, you know, it's just weird, man. I think like we're gonna get to the day when crypto's like named after beer, and then like, you know, have you checked that Coors Light, man? You know, it's just fine. It just gets confusing when people say like, Did you look at sushi? Yeah, look at the menu today. Dude, I just didn't have any. Anyways, coming in lower bullish divergence actually to the outside right now. We have the hidden bearish again starting to stall. Sitting neutral at 51.08. Sorry guys, on the RSI. Is this anchored? Yes, it is anchored. Great. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry guys, I feel a little bit tired now. Put the kids to bed, and I think it's just like really I was just drained from the day. Anyways, coming in lower again, bullish divergence action to the upside. We're starting to rally, got above that 20 beautifully. Used it as support and pumped. Now, do we have something here short term? Yes, we do, right? Look at that. We're going higher, right from here to here. And we're starting to come lower, right, on that RSI. Sorry, on the MACD. Not on the RSI, though. The RSI, we're going slightly higher. So we have strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We're moving down slightly again. We didn't move as low as the previous opening, so that's fine. We could try to go for another rally here. Movement to the 20 wouldn't be weird. Sitting bought at 62.72. So again, Bitcoin and Ethereum both showing bearish divergence, right? Hidden on the 4 and then the other one, right? Oh yeah, Honey and Steak are having an amazing day. All right, cool, bro. I did see Honey earlier. It was around 700. I'm not sure how much higher it went, to be fair. This is one when I was looking at it, so I'll just refresh it real quick, see where it's at. 184. So it just went up like about 240 bucks since yesterday, right? Yeah, it's gone up a good amount, right? Let's say almost 33% on the day. Does it say the percentage here? No, it doesn't. All right. Anyways, Ethereum. Let's go and check out XRP, right? There was no pre-stream requests. That's fine. So yeah, dude. After Binance, I'll check out Stake and Honey. I'm just writing it down so I don't forget. Stake is so cheap, under 25. Right. Awesome, dude. We'll check out Stake. What is happening with XRP, right? Bullish divergence, actually to the upside. Managed to get above that 24, sorry, not the 22,605 area. Still not hit the 20 yet. Again, bullish divergence, nothing else developing since. So let's go to shorter time scales, 4 hour. What's happening here? Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, getting above that 20 beautifully. Again, sitting neutral at 48.49 on the RSI. And that's all good, man. Now, hello. Again, I'm looking at the same stuff that Ethereum had. This does have this slight positive momentum island here. I'm not sure if I want to acknowledge that, but I think I might skip it. You know, I liked it yesterday because it gave us that break that we needed. But I'm not sure if I should just skip it and go high to low and then go, you know, positive to more positive, right? Because that's what I'm aiming at right now. That hidden bullish divergence that everyone else has. Sorry. Well, daughter started crying. All right, so again, that hidden bearish, right? Potential action to downside, hitting that 20. Or maybe we're going to be hitting that 20. And sitting neutral at 48.60 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. I forgot to anchor this in the 4. So let me send this back to the 4 real quick. And we'll check it out there, right? There we go. There and, oh snap. There. Awesome. Now what do we have here, right? Again, are we going higher than here? No yet, right? So again, this place is higher than that. So I'll just anchor from there, I guess. And then I'll go from here to here, right? So, you know, we're creating that that kind of hidden bearish, right, to the highest point that we have there. And we would also have that against the RSI here. But in the short term, right, just like everyone else, again, it's creating this strong bearish divergence here. Is this on the 1 hour? Did I forget the anchor? I hope not. I hope I didn't forget the anchor, man. Yep, I forgot. Kind of hate it when I forget the anchor, dude. It just makes everything such a pain in the butt, dude. Like, I'm not sure why this doesn't automatically just anchor to 1 time scale and then ask you if you want to, like, do it in the other ones, right? It's fucking annoying. Anyways, short term, right? What are we doing from here to here, right? So again, that bearish divergence there. In effect, strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. Starting to move down a little bit, not too much on XRP. Waiting for it to develop a little bit more. So on that note, let's go check out. What are we gonna check out, man? Litecoin. Let's go see Litecoin. Litecoin at $44.64. We're doing anything good, man. Again, we had the bullish divergence, trying to go up slightly, but again, have not really taken off from this area, right? Just like XRP, sitting sold at 39.02. So let's go to the 4 hour. Nothing happening since. Strong bullish divergence action to the upside. We got above the 20 beautifully. Now going slightly higher, that's fine. But again, from the previous high here, right? So again, high, lower, high. There we go. High, lower, high, and then we're going from here to here, right? So creating that hidden bearish action. Downside right now. That's what we're targeting. We don't have it against the RSI, sitting neutral at 47.67. Let's go to the 1 hour again, potentially moving forward at 20 on the moving down, right? So what's going on with Litecoin, right? We had the bullish divergence action to the upside, which is fine. Again, you know, from here we did manage to go slightly higher, right? And that was I'm not sure why we didn't have this one yesterday. I'm not sure if we did we not look at Litecoin on the daily or in the 1 hour yesterday. We might have skipped it. I'm not sure. You know, what is this at? 63.28, and then this is 63.24, slightly less also, right? So it's a strong bearish divergence move down. Now we created the bullish divergence. That's what mattered, and that we're getting that rally happening. And here we have again, it would seem that we have bearish divergence. Let's see where we're at here. We closed at 44.94, and here we're closing at 45, slightly higher, 45.02, right? So like 0.04 cents up. Here it just becomes one of those like preferences, whether or not you really want to say it's sideways motion, right? Whether we want to call sideways motion, right? This is all one island, so if I anchor from the highest point to here, one slightly lower, right? This is 19 and this is 17, so high to low. It would be diverging, and then we'd be creating that medium bearish divergence, so potential for price action to the downside. Sorry, yeah, that medium bearish divergence. And if you don't want to look at that, right? If you want to say it's going higher, right, or slightly higher, then you would say that we're creating, you know, strong bearish divergence. And on that note, if we zoom in here more, I bet we're going slightly higher here as well. Closing 45 and then 45.02, right? So it's just a small amount to the upside. I'm just going to forget about this. You're really not going to go into that divergence there. Technically, it's 2 cents higher. You can just call it sideways motion and say that, you know, you're coming down from here to here, right? And then here to here, right? So again, all the same, right? And bearish divergence, just medium bearish divergence on Litecoin. Near the 20, right? I think it's one of the coins that's nearest to the 20. We'll see how that goes. XRP is a banker blockchain. Owning XRP is like telling the Fed, keep fucking us and track all over money. Yeah, YFB. Yeah, we're gonna look at YFB, dude. Tomorrow is your weekly ADA day. Let's do it. Right, ADA. Yeah, dude, XRP, it's a weird project, dude. Anyway, sitting neutral at 54.20 on that RSI, right? So let's go to Binance. I might be interviewing a BitLord, for reals. No joke. I sent him a message and he replied. If you guys have any questions that you want me to ask him, let me know. Right, there it is. Hey, BitLord, would you have for an interview? Sure, when? I just said, you know, scheduled for the week of the 28th. We'll see what he replies, but, you know, it looks like we're going to do something with him. That's going to be interesting, right? So we'll figure it out as we go along with this, and he's an interesting person to interview, I guess. On that note, thank you all for being here, by the way. I haven't thanked you yet. Thank you all for being here and being part of this awesome channel. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? Again, I really enjoy being here, and you guys are awesome subscribers and followers. Right on, so what's happening with Binance, right? Again, let's go on the daily first. Sitting at $24.64. Not much since the hidden bullish. Again, yesterday took a pop, just like the rest of crypto. Today's going slightly higher. Neutral on the RSI at 49.18, so not a lot happening. Let's go to the 4 hour. Who is he? Oh, dude. He's a cool guy, dude. He is a crypto Twitter personality. He's one of the early investors on XRP, I guess. And now I think he's actually talking about, like, for reals getting out of XRP. And I think he sold a lot of his stash from what he's saying. And I think he wants to fork it as well. But it's this dude, right? Crypto BitLord. 1,127.5 thousand followers. And again, you know, he's an interesting, if you don't follow him, he's an interesting person to follow. He's quite a personality on Twitter. So, yeah, if you don't follow BitLord, make sure you go follow him. He's a cool guy. He's from Australia. And he like, I think he just doesn't filter what he says or when he tweets, because he just says like some weird stuff sometimes. But I think that's what's going to be interesting, because I really want to get his point of view on a couple projects, particularly XRP, and what he's wanting to do with that, or if he's really going to get out of that, and what his plans are for like investing in crypto. Because I think he got into XRP when it was like 0.003 cents from what I heard. So he was one of the early people to get in. So he did massively well with that project, right? So yeah. Anyways. Yeah. So what do we had here with the Binance, right? Again, 4-hour bullish divergence. As I said, I would have loved to anchor to a negative momentum island, and that still holds true. We don't have that yet. We're rallying because the rest of crypto rallied. Got above the 20, and then we just bounced and just been bouncing above since, right? And again, it's okay, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 candles green. That's great. Again, going higher, right? Nothing here short term. Now from way back here, which is where we have something positive, we do have something. So from here to here, again, it's just like the rest of crypto, right? All of crypto is showing this divergence. It's not weird, right? Because everyone's moving in unison right now. Now the question is, will we this one also have it here? Let's see, 53.04 and 53.13, slightly higher as well. So yep, hidden bearish, right? Action downside, maybe for a retest of that 20. It looks like we want to start expanding the Bollinger Bands after a small squeeze. So we might do an explosive move to the upside. I don't believe we're going to get it right now because of the hidden bearish, but you know, let's see if we retest at 20 and how we handle that. On that note, let's move to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, bearish divergence, action to downside. We didn't move down. I don't think we had created anything until yesterday, right? No, we didn't. We were just going up because the rest of crypto was going up. And we're okay with that, right? We're coming lower with more negative momentum and lower on the other side, which is great. Nothing against that. But since we've been going up from here to here, we've just been creating bearish divergence all along, right? Look at that. From here to here and then from here to here. Then short term, you know, we're still going slightly higher. We're still sitting bought at 63.94 on the RSI. On that note, that's it for Binance. Now, we've got a request for stake. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find it here. Nope. So I'm going to have to find it elsewhere, I guess. It's going to be I bet it's going to be one of those coins that I can't analyze because it's not showing up here. Let me go here. Let's see if I can find stake here. Yeah, stake. Awesome. Cryptic, can you confirm that this is a stake that we should be looking at? Because I don't know the project, so I'm not sure if this is the one we should be looking at. It's super cheap right now. 0.0003 cents, right? So it's super low. It's on TradingView. What's the ticker for stake, dude? I didn't find it. Not showing up as crypto. Not showing up as this. Stake. All right. Yeah. Dude. Yeah, I wrote it like stake. There you go. Sorry, dude. Completely butchered that one. I think I told you, dude. I'm hungry. It just sounded like steak when I was talking about it, and it's probably because I'm hungry. Completely misread that one the first time, dude. Ah, snap. Dude, that was funny. Timothy Crash, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. You did write steak the first time, though, right? Cryptic, look at that. Like when you typed it out a couple minutes ago, it says, "Can you please look at steak?" Right. Right, steak, and then that's why I was like, it sounds like hungry, right? Like I'm hungry, and then yeah, you down here said steak. So yeah, that's why I was looking at it like a steak, dude. I said, that sounds tasty. Good. All right. Yeah, dude, that's why I was looking for a steak, and I actually wrote it as steak, and I was like, dude, I can't find it. I thought I misread it afterwards, but now I did look at the chat real quick, and I was like, no, it did say steak, dude. It just made me super hungry. Yeah, let's see what steak's doing, dude. Sitting at 25 buckaroos, right? $25.37. What are we doing, man? Again, not a lot of history back here, so we cannot look farther back. From here to here, we're going higher, right? Coming in higher here. Again, that's all great. Higher, yeah. Again, on daily, it looks okay right now. Looking at history, right? Again, to try to get the flow for what the project's doing. But look, it's coming in slightly higher. And here we came in slightly lower. So we created bearish divergence, and that we've moved down. Now, every time we move down here, at least from here to here, we've created some strong bullish divergence for price action to the upside. Now we're getting that movement up. Again, hit the 20, kind of rejected it the candle right after, which is not unheard of, but you know, that's just a failed attempt to get above the 20. Right now we're trying to get above the 20 again. We'll see how that plays out. We failed to come lower, right? We failed to drop to this previous level, right? And we can look at that by placing a line here, right? And be super fair. We'll do Alt-H, right? That line is going right to the bottom of there. As you can tell, there's a small gap here. You might not be able to tell on your screen. I'll just zoom in, right? You'll see that there's a small gap there. Anyways, that means we're going from a low to a higher low, negative, less negative, and low on the other side to a higher point. So nothing really bullish there, right? We just have this strong bullish from back here. That's probably what's rolling us up still. And we'll figure out how what's going to happen here. We might have something on the shorter time scales. Again, getting above that 20 is okay. Let's throw some fibs because I do believe we can fib this one. I'll go from here. I'll take that wick to the bottom as the lowest point. And I'll take the wick to the top as the highest point. As you can tell, we've made a valid retrace over that 236, right? Then we've tried to get above, or hold, and we managed to hold support at the 618, which is okay. And on that bounce, we managed to get above that 50, above the 20 right now. It looks like we're heading for that 382 at $27.78, right? They are releasing a faster mainnet on the Ethereum blockchain. Right on, dude. And this is what Honey's riding on, right? This is what Honey's like on top of, let's say. Anyways, neutral on that RSI at 53.82. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh no, the 4 hour. What's happening here? Right on. Right, so let's see what's going on here. Right, so high, right, low, positive, high, low, right. And then we're going higher, more positive momentum, higher on the RSI, all things good, and then low, right. So nothing here, really, nothing here that's bearish. Back here we do have it, right. It's easy to see, right. But again, you know, this is way back, right. I don't think this is affecting us still. I'm looking for current stuff that could be affecting us here on this project now. You can tell that, right? So anyways, I look for the bearish stuff. I didn't find anything. I'm going to look for the bullish stuff now. See if I can find something. I don't think I'm going to find it here, dude, to be fair. Let's see. Slightly higher, right? So low, less negative. Low to high. Right on. I can work with this one, I guess. Yep, I can work with this. Well, no, it's not going to be happening. I was looking at here, coming down to this point, right? So low, lower, low, and then I was looking at here, and obviously we're coming in slightly lower here, right? So this would be 32.49, and this is 31.19. So nothing bullish yet, really. Short term here, again, you know, low, right? Look, that's below the line, this is above the line. So, you know, low to high, negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher on the other side. Nothing bullish here. Seems like we're ranging right now, right? That's what it feels like right now for this project. Now let's check this out. Coming in slightly lower. I do believe we might be making some strong bullish now, and it's just gonna be like very, very small, right? So from here to here, coming in like with to a lower area of valley, right? Low, lower, low, and then negative to less negative, right? So some strong bullish there. Nothing against the RSI, and probably why we took that small jump. Steady neutral at 59.32 on the RSI and trying to go slightly higher, which is okay. Yeah, XDAI stake is a rumored layer 2 solution for Ethereum. Honey is Uniswap clone of XDAI, but super fast, cheap. All right, cool. Probably why it's picking up value, right? Right on. So, I like what we'd have here, right? I like what we're developing, the strong bullish. Again, I'm not sure how strong it's going to play still. I said it looks like we're ranging because most of the movements seem to be contained between that 382, right? This line here, and the 618, right? This bottom line here. So we're just failing to I think we're finding ground right now on this project. We're trying to determine where we want to go. We're consolidating, right? Maybe giving an area of accumulation for people to get back in before the next movement to the upside, right? Again, not finding anything bearish. Last thing I have is small bullish on the 4 hour, so let's go to the 1 hour and see what we got there. We might be able to find something Interesting. Oh no, it has a lot of gap edge, and I hate gap edge. Anyways, we'll figure out what we're gonna do here. Sorry. No 1 hour. If you guys like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? Hit them likes so YouTube knows you like the content and they'll recommend it. And hit the sub so you know when we come live. Because if you don't, I'll take away all your crypto, man. I'll go Mr. Beast style and take your crypto. Right. It's gonna be very, very tiny, dude. From here to here, right? Coming in slightly lower. On the 1 hour. Yeah, no worries, bro. That's what I'm here for, dude. Thank you for joining and staying here. On the other side, 73.80, and then going here to 80, right? So again, some bearish divergence here, hidden action to the downside. That's the only thing I can find here on the short term. Why am I looking at this long of a distance? Because look, the move here is very pronounced. We went up really quickly, and on that move from 18 to 29 bucks and change went so high that if I look at anything here, right, we're not gonna have anything. So we're going higher, right? We're going higher. So I have to look for stuff farther back, at least against the RSI, to see why we're breaking down. And yes, we found the reason why we broke down, besides the fact that we just went completely overbought as well. Now, short term here, let's check this out. Where is this open at? 17.59.999, and this closed at 17.596, slightly less. But again, you know, it just could be sideways motion because we're just going into like the fractions of a cent. So we can just say we're going sideways here. And, you know, we're coming in here slightly less again. And then from here to here, right, also. So some bullish divergence there. That's why we went up, right? Now we're coming down again. That's fine. Now, as we're going down, we're creating bullish divergence. I bet. Let's check this one out here. This is 557, and this is 530. So yeah, for sure. From here to here. And from here to here, right? So again, strong bullish. Nothing against the RSI. Taking that bounce. Getting above the 20, trying to hold on to it, failing. Trying to, again, flirting with the 20, right? Failing, getting it again, and failing again. So let's see here if we have something. High to low, nothing here, right? High to low, nothing there. Again, low, right, to high, and then I'm looking at this low on the other side to a higher point. So nothing there. Right. Low, high, and then you know, negative to less negative, low to. All right, cool. We have something here against the RSI as well. Awesome. So we're going slightly high there on the lows, right? Low, higher, low, and then here we're coming definitely slightly lower. So we're creating some hidden bullish now, and with that, price action to the upside or continuation, that's probably why we're going up. That's the only thing I can find here as to why this project is going up. Let's check it here short term. Let's see this. Yeah, nothing here, right? So this I was looking at there, and you can see that small peak up here, right next to the plus sign or the cross on the screen. So again, high to low, right, and then high to low. So nothing there that's bearish. Now going up right now. High, right, more positive, and then also higher on the other side. So nothing, dude. Just sitting bought at 64.37. This could still go up, right? This could easily come up here again and retest that 382 at 27.78. That would be the potential target. Crypto saying state will be above 100. Super fast and cheap transactions. A lot of projects are building on it. Do the research, don't miss it. Yeah, dude, I am glad that you say do the research because that's what we all should do, right? Everyone should DYOR, dude. That's what we say. We can look at stuff, right? And we can discuss projects, but everyone should do their own research. Which is cool. Timothy, thank you for being here, man. For reals. Keep on getting hyped on news. And then hitting overbought and crashing. Had a massive run up earlier in the summer, $2 to $38, but still relatively low. MC 70 million, right? Yeah, the market cap. I haven't looked at the market cap for this, but we will. We will. No worries. We'll go here on CoinMarketCap. I mean, I know some people like CoinGecko. That's just what I found quicker on the tabs that I have open. Here, also get projects. Here we go. Around 16% today, right? At 25 buckaroos on the dot almost. Yeah, dude, this would have been a good in back here, right? On June. Look at this. In on June at 0.0001. Right? Like, you could have bought a ton of this and be sitting at a comfy 25 buckaroos right now. Wouldn't that be a good in, right? Dude. I wish I would have heard about this project earlier now. Sorry, $1.44, not .001. That's the price on Bitcoin. $1.31, dude. Still, it's a good investment, right? It's a good in at a dollar and change, dude. Right? Like, even selling it up here, dude, at 37 buckaroos. But again, at 25, it's still a good in, right? Not the best in, but it's still a good in nonetheless, especially if it goes to $100, like you guys are projecting it. I'm not seeing where. I mean, you're saying it's from the value is going to generate, which is okay. On the technicals right now, I wouldn't have anything to say. We could go there. But I certainly see where it could still go up, right? We have hit a high of $37, and we could try to at least get to that high, right, which is back here. Or at least we wicked 43 bucks, right? And we closed around somewhere up here as well. So, you know, it wouldn't be weird for us to go higher, right? Average 480. Wow, you're getting really low, Cryptic. That's pretty good for you, man. Congrats on that. Yeah, dude, I'm not saying it's not a good in, but, you know, it's right now it's good. It looks good. It looks it could do something, right? Again, like I said, we're probably consolidating at this area. Honey, you said honey also, so we're gonna check honey out real quick. What's going on with the honey? If you got the money, honey, welcome to the jungle. Come on, honey, load up. Alright, we'll go here, dude. Again, I'm not gonna be able to find a lot of the info because I couldn't find a chart for honey, but this chart was working yesterday, so we'll look at that. KSM. Yeah, dude, we'll check out KSM. You just got some requests before that, right? So after honey, we'll do ADA, then YFB, and then KSM. Right, so 194, right? Like I said, yesterday we were like so much lower, right? Look at the 23rd. We were even at 540 change, right? So good up, dude, right? From here to here would have been a good in. At some point in time, we were even hitting 1,200. Is that correct here? No. Yeah, 1,127, dude. So if you would have gotten in here, right, at 590 or whatever we were here, 536 yesterday, you could have taken that nice rally to the 1,000 area and then sell and make double your money on a day, right? So again, yeah, the project does have some good stuff. I'm not sure if you're actively trading it, crypto, or just Cryptic, sorry, or if you're just holding on to it, you know, for whatever it goes up. But this would be a nice project to trade actually intraday. See, yeah, it's had some nice moves. On that note, let's go check out Cardano. What's going on with Cardano, dude? Cardano, where you at, Cardano? Here you are. Cardano. You trade it daily? Alright, that's good, bro. Good man. Alright, that's the way to do it, man. So, yeah, what's happening with Cardano? We managed to drop slightly lower, that's fine. I'm not sure did we look at this yesterday? I'm positive we had done some changes here. Maybe we didn't, I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just getting confused. But I thought, like, we had the bullish divergence. We knew we were going to go up. We're starting to go up again at a support, right? The 618, right there. Right now, sitting at 0.85. Or, sorry, 8.5 cents. That's where it's at. Neutral at 40.32. And not a lot happening, so let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry, the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we created strong bullish divergence, just like everyone had yesterday, right? So we didn't look at this yesterday because we probably didn't get requested. Because we don't have anything on the 4 hour. Look at that. Would you look at that, right? Again, boom, boom, and boom, right? In action to the upside. We get that nice rally, getting above the 20, using that support and bouncing a little bit more. Now, are we doing something? Dude, high, right? We do have this positive momentum, and we're going higher, and that's fine. Again, I have to acknowledge it because I'm using it as a separation for the island. And, yeah, from back here, right? Again, this point, I can anchor from back here because we're going for a higher point to here. And then just against the RSI from here to here, right? So, some bullish, some hidden, sorry, bearish divergence for action to the downside right now, or stalling to happen. But they're still looking strong, so it could still go up. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and figure out what's happening there. On the 1 hour, right now, right, so low, high, right, negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher, and then coming in lower. We do have something against the RSI here. We're technically coming in lower, right, on the value of Cardano, and then we're going from a low point to a higher point, creating some strong bullish divergence, and with that we're getting that nice rally happening. Now high, right? We even had this positive, but you know, going higher still, and then higher here as well. Nothing on the long term, just short term here, right? So from here to here, right, and from here to here. Some of that bearish divergence, strong potential action to the downside. That's what we're looking at right now. We don't have it against the RSI. Overbought at 76.32, and probably part of the reason why this could start coming down. Am I gonna fib it? Yeah, probably. I should probably get some fibs out here for this. We already have, right? Bouncing on 618. Right, so that's Cardano again in a heartbeat. YFB, let's go check out YFB, and then we'll get to KSM, right? KSM. What's happening with the YFB, dude? YFB. There we go. 7.86. Sitting at $7.68, right? What are we doing with this, right? Not a lot. It's going down. It's taking a nice pop today. 23% today, right? We didn't have anything on the daily. We still have nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had bullish divergence. We were waiting for that move to the upside. Remember how we said we just kept on tracking this, but it just kept on failing to play up, right, to the upside? It's just so insane that we had this continuously and really failing to get above where we should be, right? The 20, because we just seemed that forever we're rejecting. Finally, we're above the 20. It seems like we want to hold on to that and maybe go higher, right? But right now we're still in this 4 hour candle that just barely got us above. So let's confirm closing here and see if we really want to be above this area. YFB is the BitConnect of 2020. Yeah, dude, I'm not sure. Maybe. Again, it's just been going insanely down. I just like the fact that it finally got above the 20. Let's say that's A+. Again, don't want to rain in parades real quick, but, you know, look at this, right? Look at this going higher, right? Again, it's going to be one of those sucky moments where you say, like, oh, we're doing something good, but not really, bro. Right, look at that. We're going from here to a lower point right now. So we're creating some hidden bearish, right? Also against the RSI as well. Look at that, right? So, you know, really need to get above this level to not have that. And then we'll probably have that divergence all the way to back here, right, against the RSI, but not against the MACD, right? So we'll still be creating hidden bearish. So let's see how this is going to play out again. Kind of sucks that it's developing this hidden bearish because it was finally starting to look bright for the project. A little bit, right? So let's go to the 1 hour and see what we got there. On the 1 hour, we had the bearish divergence. It fell to play still here, rejecting it when we move lower, right? From here to here, right, from this island to this island, we didn't create anything. That's why we didn't shift it yesterday. But throughout the island here, right, with this, we're coming in lower on the 1 hour chart. And, you know, we're going from here to here. So, you know, we are having that strong bullish still developed, right, later on. Just, and it developed as we were overbought, which gives it that little plus, right, that extra kicker. We're overbought, or so we're oversold. It developed when we were oversold. We're oversold and we develop strong bullish divergence. That has to go to the upside, right? It has to pop to the upside. It's going to be almost impossible that you develop strong bullish divergence being oversold and not move up, right? It's a big indicator. You're weak, you're oversold, you're bullish, you have, like, the bears are weak, right? You got to go up. Now, when you're overbought, it's a different story. That means the bulls are weak. And you're definitely going to move down if you have strong bearish. So right now, I'm not seeing anything bearish here, right? You went up higher, coming in positive, higher on the other side on the 1 hour. That's great here. Nothing bearish. Let's see against something from back here. So positive, right? Higher, right? Nothing there. And just from back here, for reals, right? Again, all the way from back here to here. And from back here to here, right? Creating that hidden bearish divergence, potential moving down. Move down a little bit, trying to recover. Let's see how this keeps on happening or how this keeps on playing out. It looks like we want to consolidate around this area. And we're going to figure it out. But yesterday, finally got above that 20, right? Held on to it twice, right? Almost no movement here on those two candles. You can tell. Spinning tops. Then we finally got here and used it as support and boom, catapult to the upside, right? That's good for YFB. Now let's go check out KSM. KSM. It sounds like a radio station, right? 93.1 KSM. Let's check out KSM. Stop dicking around. I'm saying I trade daily. Traditional markets, crypto just for the trail. YFB is a bit, yeah. So yeah, you trade daily on traditional markets. That's good, bro. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back on. I'm getting back, or I have gotten back recently, onto stocks. Just not heavily still. I haven't traded stocks in a while. Just preference. Timothy, if you like the small market caps, you should DYOR Devault DBT. That's being said by Bitcoin Jag. Yeah, you should, dude. If you like this, you might like that. For some reason, the chat's coming in slow here, I guess. Or here, I'm not sure where. Somewhere the chat is slow. Because I didn't see the Bitcoin Jag. Oh, here it is. So it's coming out slow here on the side for some reason. Sorry. Anyways, let's check this out, right? YFB. That's it for YFB. KSM, dude. That's what we look at. KSM. Today's best music. KSM. Right, just some weird like that. Anyways, has not been quoting for the longest time. Started around 60 buckaroos. Been going down since, right? Went down all the way down to 31. We had made a new low. Try to bounce again. What am I looking at here, dude? What am I looking at here? I'm just gonna go with the bodies right now. I don't feel confident with this project to go with the wicks, so I'll just go like that, right? A little bit of a symmetrical triangle, right? A little bit more neutral or downsloping than symmetrical, but you know it's still symmetrical. We're really not making a flat line here on the bottom part, which is okay. Nothing here on the MACD, right, or the RSI. So let's go to the 4-hour. This is not it. This is not KSM. Am I looking at something different? Alright on, so I'll check it out here then in CoinMarketCap. Let's see KSM. Let's see what because the ticker said KSM, so KSM. Didn't type KSM. There we go. Dude, yeah, Kusama, right? That's a. So am I looking at something off here, Cryptic? Is Kusama 36 bucks? Kusama 36, but you know that's what I'm looking at here. 36 bucks. Right, look at that. 36 right there on the red. 36.02. Did I say something wrong on the price? Or I'm not sure why. What wasn't it? Dude, so let me know. Because this is $36 on Binance. Right. So it just probably hasn't been trading much on Binance, right? But it is at $36 there. 36.02. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, bearish divergence, right? First thing I'm noticing here, back here, right? So there, and then you know, some short divergence there as well, right? What am I talking about? Short divergence from here, right? Here to here, going higher, right? Again, I'll just take it in 2 parts, from here to here. I'll be from here to here, and then you know, just do not contaminate. I'll just go from here to here. We're going higher on there, so which is fine. I went overbought, bearish divergence against the MACD, move down on that, right? Moving lower, that's great. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower on their side. Nothing bullish here. Right, maybe here short term, we did on this last bit of movement to the downside, we have something. I'll show that line there, and then look, I'll show you guys here. This is a tiny one there, then this one here, right there, like that, right? So again, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, we'll go up. Fake drop and then pull back up, hit that 20, reject it slightly, and the bullishness still coming into play and pumping us to the upside. Now, what are we doing here? High to low, right? First, another thing I'm noticing here, and then low to high, right? So positive, more positive. Hidden bearish, not against the MACD, right? The MACD is safe of that, but that's probably what we're getting this movement down right now on the 4-hour chart for KSM. Potential target, the 20. The 20 would be at $33.70. Let's go to the 1-hour. Now, just got in at 3 and have not seen the total history. All right, cool. check it out on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, I'll check it out on CoinMarketCap. I'm just doing here with the technicals though, because CoinMarketCap doesn't allow me to look at like the MACD and the RSI and other stuff. So I just have to like play with what I got here. Again, I'll send this pattern back to the daily. There we go. I can tell there's bearish divergence up here. Very quickly, right? Again, you know, after a while, these things just kind of like pop immediately, or you're like know more or less where you're gonna find them, right? Because once you know what you're hunting for, it just makes it so much easier, dude. Here I'm looking for the bullish, right? I'm not sure we got it. 427, and then it's 412, so we do have it. We do have bullish divergence from here. Again, negative and slightly less negative, right? Oh snap, didn't go there. Negative and slightly less negative. We don't have it against the RSI here, but we do get it here as well, right? And this is nice because you know, we're going from here to here again, negative, low, lower, low, and then negative to positive, right? Which is a little bit extra, right? A little bit extra kicker there towards the end. Again, I usually like to anchor them to a negative momentum island, right? A tight or a nice red bar. But when that's not available and you know you're coming in lower, you're going to positive momentum. It's like a crossover, right? It will be anchored from there to there, right? So on that note, or from there to zero. Right? That's why I don't like to do it when the bullish side. But on the bearish side, I don't like to do it on the bearish side. That means on the top, because I could anchor from anywhere here, right? Like from here to here, let's say. I'd much rather anchor on the top from a negative, from positive island to a new positive island. But on the bottom, I don't have a problem going to a zero. Right on. So, what's this at here? Let's see what the highest point here. 3569, 358. Right, so slightly higher here. As we want, yeah, no, we don't. I was looking for that bearish, but no, I was gonna screw up. Oh, no, nothing there. Forget about that. Ooh. Right, short term here is what the bearish is at. This is what I looked at when I was looking at these earlier. From here to here, right, that's the first move. And then here, short term, right, so like that. Right, look at that. Right, so we have one from here to here, right, and then along this line, we're also creating that bearish divergence. We also have it here against the RSI. Right, so again, that action to the downside. Move down and hit the 20. It looks like we want to hold on support there. If we hold support, we think we could be going for a new bounce. Start making that negative momentum in neutral at 56.16 on the RSI. It wouldn't be weird if we took a bounce from here. Particularly if the project is as bullish as advertised. So now check this out in CoinMarketCap. Yeah, we had it on the CoinMarketCap. Kusama Bin Laden, right? That's the name of this project. Kusama Bin Laden. What was this at? $1.10, right? And then it went down to $1.50, and then it went up more. 5 buckaroos, now at 36 buckaroos. So yeah, this is one of those projects that also started this year. That would have been a good Indian back here on April, right? Even in June, dude, at $5, right? Right now you'll be making 6 times your dough. So yeah, dude, good project, man. Good eye. Cryptic, good projects, dude. I'm surprised with the projects that you're bringing up. They're performing really good, man. For reals. I'm glad that you're doing good with this. I was looking at market cap here. It was such a big disparity between market cap, right? The price kept on rising, but market cap kept failing to catch up with it. Now, market cap finally caught up with it, and it's right more or less in sync with the dollar value of it, which is okay. On that note, let's go check out DBT. We haven't checked out DBT today, and I like that project, so... Oh snap, the music got very slow. There we go. Oh, George Foreman! Wow, what's this? Oh, well, this is a crypto channel. Thank you for being here, George Foreman, and typing out. This is a project called DBT that I'm looking at right now. It's a low value project. Worth 6.1 sats, but it gives really good opportunities for intraday trading. So if you want to learn how to trade or practice strategies, this is a coin that you can buy with a little bit of dough, right? You don't have to like putting a lot of money, and you do have those opportunities to buy and sell and like test out your strategy, or at least get the flow for a little bit of the market prior to going in, right? That's why I like this project. That and what they're doing on a day-to-day basis, right? It's a solid project, dude. I invite you to DYOR. Jay can probably give you the website. Just got a Robinhood account. Congrats. Congrats. Be careful with leverage. And if it seems like you're deep in the red, wait until the market opens. Don't do what that, like some kid. There was a news article a couple months ago of a kid that started trading, doing day trading, and he was over leveraged, and something wrong went with the app, and he ended up committing suicide because he thought he was like in debt for the rest of his life because he was like down, like I can't remember if it was like $30,000 or $600,000, insane amount. But the position liquidated, right? So he didn't know that much. It was just a misread of the market. Anyways, totally new things. Trying to make a retirement fund. All right, cool, man. Good. If you want to make a retirement fund, I'm not sure. You gotta go with a well-balanced portfolio. Traditional stocks, and then probably crypto. Crypto put the least part of it if you want to make a retirement fund because it's highly volatile and highly risky. So if you want to make something for retirement, I don't think crypto is going to be the best. But this is mainly a crypto show. We can talk about stocks. We can talk about markets in general. But thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. And if you like the content, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? What's going on with DVT, man? You're a concrete worker? That's awesome, bro. You bid cash for all stocks. Yeah, it's fine, but if you want, we can look at stocks. But right now, I'm doing this crypto. It's called DVT. It's pretty good. You were up 41%. That's good, bro. Are you taking a hit right now with the markets dropping a little bit the other day, or are you still doing good? And I just want going sideways here. I'm not going to move that. And here we're still going sideways, dude. What the hell's up with DVT? Not a lot of movement today. Right? Some medium bullish divergence starting to develop. Look at that, right? We're going just flatlining here at 6-1, which is good. We just found support there. Is there a massive order there? No, it's not even that big of an order. There's no order there, so weird. It's just a small position, but, Anyways, type 2 bullish. That's fine. That's all I'm going to call here on the 1 hour. I don't see anything bearish, right? High, lower, high. High on the RSI, lower. High on the MACD, lower. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Hidden bullish. Look at that 4-hour, right? Beautiful. From here to here, right? Again, we don't have it against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're just going here to lower, right? And then really gotta zoom in this one because all the MACD I just hit that it reads 0 all the time, so it's hard to tell. You just gotta eye measure it, I'd say. Yeah, we do have something. Just very small though. From here to here, and then from here to some strong bullish there, and then some weak, some hidden bullish on the longer time frame. With that price action to the upside, got that rally, right? Coming in higher, that's great. Coming in higher here as well. Now high to low, right? High to low. We're going higher here on the RSI. The RSI's killer on this. Coming inside lower, so nothing bearish yet. Maybe something from back here. Let's see, high, low. Yeah, we could go with this one, right? Some hidden bearish divergence from here to here, and then from here to here. On that price action to the upside, we're moving down on that. But again, we do have this bullishness that we could try to hold on to and try to go for another rally. It's just hidden bearish. Might not play out as strong, right? Let's go to the daily here and figure out what's happening with the daily. See something in the chat. You're up today. You're up 20%. You're doing good, bro. How much money do I make? Enough to have fun in this market. Taking projects where I took it a bidding lately. I have a project where I didn't read the market well, and I went in without doing proper research, and I took the market corrected me, let's say, right? And usually I'm good on everything else that I do. My calls, my predictions, everything's good. So yeah, it is good, man. Also, 41%, it's only from 1K. That's good, bro. It's good. That's like $410. It's not that bad, right? So that's pretty good. This project is good for learning, right? Look at all the moves that it has intraday, right? Look at this. This was a 11% gain, then a 5% gain, 8% gain, 10% gain, right? So if you just want to measure that, and this is recently, right? We're talking September 12th till sorry, September 17th. That's the time frame we're looking at. It went up 51%, so it's good trade. Yeah, it did go down quite a bit. Didn't go down as hard, I believe. So went down 24%. And right now it did take another rally, so it's good what this project's doing, right? It gives you some like 24% alt gain to the upside. So again, you can have like good trading, like test your strategy with this project because it's very cheap, right? It's like 0.0000, like 4 zeros and then a number, or 3 zeros and then a number. So it's super cheap to get into. With very little money, you can have a good position and like practice trading here, or at least hodl it for long term, because this project's supposed to also be huge long term, right? They're doing a lot of things, dude, right? Steve asks, with this project XRP? No, XRP I'm not doing that bad, dude. I'm taking a small hit on XRP on the hodl bag, not on the trading bag. So sorry, playing Amongst Us. Yeah. I was afraid XRP. No, dude, XRP. Like my hodl bag, it's the one that's taking a hit. My trading bag is good. What I do with my money besides trade? Well, invest and buy stuff that I need and stuff that I can make money with. So that's what I do with my money. Right. Thank you, George Foreman, for asking. I have kids that I gotta pay tuitions at school. Right. Like not like college age, but still young enough that they need to go to school. Well, I got a family, I got to support, so that's why my money goes to, right? And then I buy stuff that I use for like reselling, right? Like whatever I can like make more money with money, right? That's how it works. You get money, and then you make it work for you, right? So you either do something that's a little bit passive, like trading, but trading is really hands-on depending on what you're doing. If you just want to go like if you just want to be a long-term trader, I would say right, you're probably gonna buy positions right now, you're gonna sell in like 10 years down the road. That would be a good strategy for some, but day trading is also good for others. It depends. This text, yeah, we'll check out this text. What's a passive venture I have done? Well, I buy supplements, like biotin and things like that, and then I resell them in Mexico. So good, because you cannot get 10,000 MCG biotin, and apparently the girls like that for their hair. So also probiotics, right? There's not a lot of there are probiotics, but not in the amounts that you get in the US. So I also buy stuff there, and then I bring it over to Mexico and I resell it. So I don't resell it, I just have my wife resell it. She also does we haven't looked at Uni, man. We'll also put Uni on the list. She also does resell clothing, She does like the side business with the money. And then I'm just investing on her, basically. So that's what I do, dude. I give her money, and then, I get returns on my money that she buys stuff with. That's the agreement. So, yeah, that's how it rolls. So she basically does her own business, and then I get money from her business. That's a passive income for me. So I'm not doing anything except just injecting capital into that, and I get my money back. And then some more. So, yeah, that's how it rolls. Just whatever I can do for, like, trading, physical trading, right? Also, buy and sell whatever I can, so... yeah, good stuff. So trading is good, though, right? If you know how to take profits, trading is good. Just keep it simple, right? So before I do these stacks, I'm gonna look at RSR because that's one I'm taking a massive bidding on, dude. I'm not even sure how RSR is. I did talk about exiting. I haven't exited yet. Still, 12 cents, dude. They go to like 10 cents, right? It recovered a little bit. On the daily, it's probably hit the 20. No, the daily, the 20's at 15, right? So, by the way, this is a project I did horrible. I just got in a couple days ago. On the 31st of August, I think I got in. So I was way up here, and then I just been taking a massive bidding on this one, dude. I'm down 60%. And I just put $100 in it, so I'm not worried about the money. I didn't put a lot because I wasn't sure what the project was going to do. I was not going to go all in. I was not going to put a big bag in there. Oh, and that's fine, dude. I should have exited here. I called all my exits, and I didn't execute them, because I was dumb. And, yeah, shit happens. But I've had everything charted out perfectly, right? Bearish divergence there. We moved down on that, I should have exited here, dude. I got in here. I should have exited here, and I didn't. Now I'm paying the consequences. Anyways, we had the bullish divergence. We called it out. Got the movement up. Hit the 20 right on. Right, those were on 12. Finally got above that 20, which is good. And right now we're pulling back down a little bit. I really wish it would have stayed at 13. Right, it looks like we just closed there at 13 on the dot, like 1.3 cents. Sorry, on the dot, and now we're moving down. So high to low, positive, negative, low to high. Right, so nothing bearish yet. We still try to go for another rally if this wanted to. So let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had the bullish divergence. We didn't have anything bullish here. So, because we have this island, and I didn't want to ignore it. We had the bullish in the 4 hour, and that's fine. And that move, we hit the 20, got above it, right, held on to that, and then we're catapulting off, which is okay. There's a previous island, right, so high, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side, higher, right, as we're going up. Nothing bearish, so this impulse up right now, this is consolidation. Could consolidation drop? Yeah, it could drop us to the 20 at 11.71 cent or 1.17, let's say, cents, and try to go for a bounce there. Willie, hello! Just started watching. Did I talk about VET? No, we haven't talked about VET, bro. Thanks for being here. We'll talk about VET. We have 2 projects before that, Distax and Uni. So after Uni, we'll talk about DVT. Sorry, VET. Sorry. VET. Dang, you need to go off, so we're gonna look at Uni. Sorry, this text was first. Then someone said, I flip basketball goals. I get them for 20 and 30, and you sell them for 100. Or basketball goals. All right, cool. That's awesome, bro. Where do you do that at, George Foreman? All right, that's it for RSR. Let's go check out this DEX. Dude, is that even listing here? This DEX. Alright, it's not on CoinMarketCap. We'll see if we can get a chart for it, though. Oh, dude, sitting at 7 cents, 7.6 cents. Alright, cool. Let's go to market pairs, see where it's at, dude. Uniswap. I think here I can see the chart. Let's see if I can get it up. In the running. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, it is here. Is it going to let me bring indicators? No, it's not. Fuck. That's the whole thing about this project. It doesn't let me look at the indicators. And there, what are we going to do? Shit, dude. I hate when I cannot bring stuff up from, that I really need to look at. Maybe there's a way to look at this. I'm just not sure, dude. Let's go against Stellar, dude. So that's 0.86 cents. Or 8.6 cents, sorry. Dude, there is something here I found. Yay! I can bring some stuff up. I'm not sure how much stuff I'm going to be able to get here. MACD, here it is. And let's try to see if I can get the RSI out as well. Not a lot of options here. Got the strength, there we go. Yay, awesome, dude. I'm not going to be able to do anything here on the daily. Let me see if I can make this slightly larger. Is it going to let me make this larger? Come on, come on. Give me tools, give me tools. Not here. Alright, so it's going to be very weird to chart because it's just very, very tiny. So there's nothing on the daily. Let's go to the hour, I guess, the 4 hour, and see what we got there. And let's try to fix this. It's going to let me... It's not going to let me do this, dude. Come on, come on. No. Alright, so it's not going to let me do the mess around with the MACD on this chart, right? And the RSI is just barely visible. And it's also not going to let me edit. Settings, dude. Let me see if I can do that. Yes. Okay, here it is. But this is all for the bars, dude. Bring settings here. Come on. Settings. There we go. Nope. That's for the... Yeah, it's not gonna let me do it. Anyways, fuck this. If you cannot see this, it's because it's freaking horrible, dude. This chart sucks. Nuts. I had a low negative to, sorry, positive to less positive. Where are we at in the RSI here? Let's see. It's also not bringing the RSI up. That's freaking annoying as hell, dude. I'm gonna have to make these larger now again. Let's see where we're at. Are we going slightly higher? Like you know, there we go. Yeah, just gonna call it equal here. We're going, you know, straight, and we're coming in lower. So nothing bearish really. We're doing something bullish. Let's see. No, we're just going sideways. Yeah, we could say we're doing something bullish. We could say we're doing like, you know, medium bullish divergence. And now I need to like bring out the little drawing tools here. Come on, man. Why did these people like play the charts with the worst colors possible ever, man? Like they picked someone that's daltonic to like do this, and I like colorblind. And I'm colorblind, by the way, so I know this is horrible chart looking. Anyways, dude, that's it, right? That's the divergence I was talking about here. So that's why we're getting that small pop, but I'm not seeing anything bearish yet. So let's go to the day, the 1 hour. Bro, this text is one of the worst charts I've looked at. At least, not worse that it's bad. It's just worst looking chart for charting purposes, right? So going higher, right? More positive momentum and higher on there, so that's all good. Right, look, we're starting to create that hidden bearish, right? Or sorry, that strong bearish. We're coming in higher every time. And every time we go higher, we're coming in lower here. Sorry, that's against volume. Not there. We do have it against volume as well, but, you know, here. And also here, right? Like that. Here we go. So, you know, we have that strong bearish divergence. Which hasn't really triggered yet. We could be looking for a movement down, maybe for a retest of the 20. Right, that 20 right now, I'm not even sure where it's sitting at, but it's here, 0.7, I would say. That'll seem about it for this project, dude. I hate looking at charts like this and when it doesn't let me, like, you know, update them or fix them. So let's go check out Uni, because that one I can look at. Unicorn. Here's Uni. What is Uni doing? Yay. Right, Uni recovering, right? Again, we don't have a lot of data on Uni on the daily, so we cannot make any educated calls as to what it's going to do. We just knew we had like some kind of resistance up here. And they double top on the shorter time scales. Now here, do we have something? No, right? We're coming in lower. We're coming in lower here as well. So all things were good here on the 4 hour. Nothing we could look at. So let's go to the 1 hour. Because everything in Uni right now is coming from the 1 hour, right? Oh, did we go up? Yeah, look, we had the bullish divergence. And then we also had the bullish divergence here. This one I drew today, you know, when we were like on the chat. Because you were asking something in chat. And I drew this and I told you guys it was going to, you know, I did say it was going to pop. But it's also going to depend on what Bitcoin did, right? And that's precisely what is happening. Precisely what is happening. Don't you dare say it isn't. See, here it is, dude. I found it. Here's a uni chart. Here's a uni chart. Here's a uni chart. Right. I'll call that divergence there, right? That bullish divergence we were just talking about right now. And that's it. Uni getting support at the 20, but not taking off. Nothing bearish on the 1 hour chart. 4 hour chart is also clear. Very likely will follow the rest of the crypto market. Bitcoin breaking below 10,000, right? We're rejecting the 10,600 area. We got to wait for the big flag, right? We flagged no bearish divergence. 1 hour chart. 4 hour chart has hidden bearish. It might be what's causing it to stall the 1 hour chart. That's what moved us down and caused us to flag, right? That's what we determined. And the fact that we're overbought on the 1 hour chart, right? So that's how it played, right? And then, you know, boom, you know, nice stuff happening, right? After that. So yeah, I'm happy with the calls we made here earlier. Am I surprised that it's going up? No. Is it going up to target? Yes, it's going up to target. Cryptic sent me something at a couple minutes ago. This platform releases tomorrow. Falcon Swap. All right, I'm gonna check out Falcon Swap Cryptic in a second because the Falcon token has been active. I noticed today. But thank you for letting me know, Cryptic. I'll check it out on the stream. I'll check it out on the stream. Right, so why is Uni going up? We had the bullish divergence here, right? The hidden bullish. Here we created some hidden bullish still. And went for that nice rally to the upside. Then came back, retested that 20 and went higher up still. Now, why did we retest the 20? Because we had bearish divergence here. And then from here to here, right? So again, you know, we did move down, holding on support, which is beautiful. And that note, we're taking a bounce. Taking a bounce, man. Is this just gonna be on the 1 hour? Yep, it is. Awesome. Now we're going higher, right? We're more positive momentum and higher on the RSI, so it's all good here. Nothing I'm worried about yet here. Yeah, something I'm worried about here. It's just very, very large scale though. From here to here, then from here to here, right on the RSI. So just sitting bought at 68.42, so it could come down a little bit. We have hit the target. The 382 was the target. Now we're going slightly above it. That's great. We closed right there, right? And we managed to open above it. You know, using the support, going higher. It's all good, dude. We might find some resistance here, right? Look at that. Here, this area. Maybe have some resistance around this area. So we'll see. We're at that area right now. Probably why we're moving down a little bit. But yo, great stuff, right? On Uni. Yeah, on that note, that's Uni. Let's go check out VT. Who requested VT? Someone requested VT. Willie requested VT. Willie, we're gonna do VT, man. I hope you're still with us. VT. Let's go check out the V-Chain. Don't have anything drawn on VT forever, man. I think the last thing I have for the VT is way back here on November 21st. Maybe I have another VT chart that I just like closed, or maybe no one requested it for a longest time. But you know, bearish divergence there, right? We broke down on that. Moved down, hitting support, right? We did go over 161.5% of the way, so 1618, 161.8% of the way. Gonna get rid of the fibs again. We're gonna refib this. Right, just want to refib from this low to. Oh, fuck! I took a measure. I don't want to do that. Fibs. Here we go. Fibonacci. There we go. Right on, so we're at fib node, right? What are the 50%? We managed to hold on support there. We rejected 318. Right now we're moving below and hitting that 50% again, just moving sideways on it. Using a support right now, actually. So, yeah, that's it, right? We're moving down. Are we creating something bullish? I doubt it, dude. Come on, let me see. 580 and 57. So slightly less. Yes, we are creating something bullish from back here to here. And from here to here. Nothing on the RSI though. And on this, we're creating that bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. I had this going on the 1 hour, so I'm just going to remove it from there. That way I can look at it on the daily and not be bothered by it when we get to the 1 hour chart. So quick cleanup here. There we go. Right on. So again, getting that moving up. Are we creating something here? Let's see. 337, 39. Slightly higher, right? And slightly higher here. And then here coming lower. So we're creating some hidden bearish. That's what's moving us down. Again, broke that 50%. Right now we're holding it as support. So let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. There we go. 4 hours. What's happening there? If you guys like what we do, hit that like button, that sub, right? We're super grateful if you follow, subscribe, and are notified when we come live. Here I'm just gonna look short term. There's really no point in going too much into the history. From here to here we have bearish divergence. Again, it looks like it has a flow of the rest of crypto more or less. So there, you know, going from here to here, bearish divergence, right? Then from here to here, right? So strong bearish divergence across the MACD and the RSI, sitting at 1.2 cents, right? V-Chain, 1.2 cents. Dude. We have some strong bullish here short term. From here to here, and from here to here, that's where we're bouncing a little bit. We don't have against the RSI, that's okay. Sitting neutral at 49.57 on the RSI. We don't have anything bearish here, right? High, low. Positive, less positive, high on the RSI, lower. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, what are we doing, doctor? Oh, dude, we have some bullish divergence. Yeah, from here to here, right? And then let me just anchor that here on the 1 hour. Why not? Let's make this happen on the 1 hour chart. And from here to here, and then from here to here. And then, you know, we're going higher, more positive, higher on there. So all things are great there. Let's see here, short term, we're creating some bearish divergence of the strong kind. And that's what moving us down a little bit, right? Strong bearish divergence against the MACD, but not against the RSI. We're moving down a little bit, hitting that support, right? Right now we even moved down, wicked at the 20, and we rejected lower prices. And right now we're trying to take off from that 50%, which is okay. Right, we might create some more bullish divergence. We're hitting that same height that we had back here. So what's going on right now, right? Till recent, this hour, we're creating medium bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. If this goes slightly higher, this is going to start to catch up here, and we're going to start creating strong bearish divergence, right? Until it becomes weak bearish divergence. And if it manages to go higher still, then we will no longer have anything. Anyways, the move right now, right? Potential move into the downside. Again, maybe for a retest of this area. That's what's going to happen once we create the bearish divergence. So we got to wait for it to develop a little bit more. Really, that is VET in a heartbeat. Awesome. We finished with Uni. We finished with VT. We got a request from Cryptic to look at Falcon Swap. So we're going to go check out Falcon Swap. Falcon Swaps reminds me of... Y'all play Super Smash Bros? You know, like Captain Falcon? He used to like supercharge his punch and be like, Falcon Punch! Like Falcon Swap. That's just what it sounds like in my head, you know, when I say Falcon Swap. Yeah, the Falcon Swap. What is happening with the Falcon Swap? Someone should make a dance called the Falcon Swap. Falcon Swap! Alright, so, it's gonna be launching tomorrow, apparently, according to, Cryptic, which is pretty legit. He actually sent me the website, so I'm gonna open it here. And he sent me an image as well. Falcon Swap beta launch schedule. September 21st, 2 minutes red. Alright, so we're looking at this project. It's been about 3 weeks since we launched Falcon Swap token on Uniswap. Has been growing bigger every day. Oh wow, they're great. We did look at Falcon Swap the other day. How much is it worth right now? We had a Falcon Swap. What was over here, dude? Falcon Swap, 29 cents, dude. Did it go up from yesterday? Yes, it did. Right, look at that. Look at this on the daily, bro. It did go from 24 all the way to 29 cents. So you missed buying it at 24. You can still buy it at 29 before it takes off tomorrow. I'm not sure if this is pre-hype to it launching, or if tomorrow is just going to go insanely high, right? No, unfortunately, there's no chart where I can look at this officially, where I can maybe do something. We'll check it out. Yeah, we can do it here. It's going to be against Ethereum, though, and I usually don't like to chart against Ethereum. Just a preference. Much rather, if I could do it against, you know, Bitcoin, or sorry, a dollar would be better. So again, we're not going to be able to get the best look at the market here, but we'll try to do what we can, right? With what we got, man, because that's how we roll. Make the best of everything. That's the RSI, and there's the MACD, man. Let's check this out on the 1 hour. That's great. I don't mind it there, dude. Coming in lower, more negative momentum, right? Taking a bounce. Higher. Higher on the RSI, possible. I'm going higher also, right? Here we had some hidden bullish. Just you know. So now this thing's bothering me here. Let's try to place it there. It shouldn't bother me there. Just the volume line. Yeah, that's good. Then we're going from here to higher, right? Sorry. Wrong. I'm anchoring from the wrong point here. So negative, more negative. And on the other side, I can't. On the other side, we're going from low to high. So we're following the same thing as price action, right? Now, going higher, more positive, right? And here we had some bearish divergence here. Short term, we already moved down, created that hidden bullish. That's rallying us to the upside, right? Being grateful and rallying us to the upside. There we go, right? That's what I'm looking at for the bearish, right? Strong bearish, move down, hidden bullish, and taking that pop, which is okay, really. That pop, 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 pop. I'm looking for something here. I'm not finding anything, right? So high, then everything here is lower, right? Even to this point. So high, lower, and then high on the other side to lower everything. You might not be able to see it very well on your screen, but trust me, I'm looking at this in detail. So let's go to the daily, man. Again, we're not going to have anything on the daily, so, forget about it. We're coming in lower. We're going higher on the other side. That's something I'm worried about. Let's see. Yeah, on the other side, we're going higher. So we're starting to create some bearish divergence. But again, if it launches tomorrow, the platform, that bearish divergence can be short-lived, right? Look at the massive pump it's getting today already. Today is going up 34% already on the day. So, you know it's good, right? Rumor, are you launching B3 soon? Code spotted on GitHub. All right. That works. So yeah, this is FSW, right? And thank you, Cryptic, for bringing this awesome info to us, dude. Again, it could be a project that could be worth looking into if you're trying to catch a cheap coin that could go up, that had the potential to go up on news. This could be it, right? Because again, I'll close on the Robson network. Test to Shane or whatever. So MetaMask not installed. All right, cool. Yeah, I do have MetaMask installed, you bastards. Just not on this extension of Chrome. But I do have MetaMask installed on my Chrome, not on Brave. So swap, deposit, and withdraw. That's great. Next swap in 2, 1, boom. Swapping 0. Because it's not live yet, right? Maybe, I guess. I'm not sure. Let's see if we can type 1 here. Type 1 to that. Right. Wow. So I'll swap the other way, I guess. Swap the opposite. Right. There we go. I'll just keep on working with Ethereum. Great. So, yep. You can buy some Falcon Swap on news that's going to pump tomorrow, right? Probably, because it's going to come live. I'm not sure how strong it's going to do. It might do very well. Right, I'm not sure where you can. Cryptic, I'm not sure if you're still with us. Where can you buy this right now? Hotbit, I think that's the only place where it's you can pre-purchase it, right? Well, Uniswap, Hotbit, BKEX, and Poloniex, right? That's usually or at least where you can get it. Or you should be trading. Oh, Poloniex, dude, damn, Poloniex. I can chart Poloniex, dude. Here I'm killing myself with shitty charts, and I had Poloniex here on the bottom. I just didn't look at it. Oh, nice. Poloniex. I'll do that here. Sorry about not looking to Poloniex sooner, man. I just did a whole analysis. That could become worthless because, we do have some better stuff here. Trying to make everything a little bit more visible for everyone. That should be fine. So okay, we're coming in higher, right? We're coming in lower here. Definitely in this chart. I guess we can actually measure 69. 69. Coming the same way, right? So where are my drawing tools here? Come on, Poloniex. You were looking so good. Damn yous. I'm not sure where my drawing tools are here. Is he gonna let me draw? Here it is. Here it is. There we go. Drawing tools. It's just like hidden. So here we're going sideways, right? And what's happening here is that we're going higher, right? So from here we're going higher. On that node, we're creating divergence. Weak bearish divergence. Sorry guys, I feel like I want to sneeze, but sorry about that. Shit. Anyways. We have that potential bearish divergence against the RSI. We don't seem to have that. Right. Maybe we do. No, we don't. Yeah, maybe we do. From here to here, right? Going higher. Then from here to here, coming lower. Creating that strong bearish divergence action to the downside on Falcon Swap right now. So we move down. Right now, we're just, chilling prior to the launch, I guess, of the platform. So yeah, it looks about right. Let's go check out. That's a 30-minute chart, though. It doesn't let me do the 1 hour, so let's go to the 4 hour. So you just gotta play with what I have. So low to high again, as you can tell, we're going from negative to more negative, so hidden bullish. Right, action to the upside. Right, we don't have it against the RSI. Strong bullish short term from here to here. And from here to here. Oh, shit. There we go. And that's what's really pumping us to the upside here on Falcon Swap. I hope you're able to see the whole screen here on Falcon Swap. I'm trying to keep it as visible as possible. You cannot see the price. Now I can tell here on the side. There we go. Oh shit, not what I wanted to do, bro. There we go. Let's just go on the daily here and figure out what's happening. Again, nothing on the daily, right? We're not doing anything on the daily. So on the 4 hours, we do have some bullish, right? That's pumping us to the upside. On down the short term, on the 1 hour, we do have some bearish. Or sorry, the half hour, we have some bearish. That's all I can do here, I guess, on Poloniex. If you want to buy this project prior to it launching, you can buy it at 30 cents right now. With potential to go to the moon, I guess, right? Who knows? Still yet to determine how well this project is going to do. I mean, like the data that we have, it's short. Probably the exchange is going to launch. It might do very well. Who knows, right? A lot of these projects have been taking insane bounces. I might buy a little, to be fair. I might cancel my, whatever I have left in RSR and just put it in here and see what happens. Really, I have no problem doing that. I just probably need to find a way to buy it right now because I don't have a Poloniex account. So, you know, just gotta have to like set something up. But, you know, FSW, I'm gonna write here buy. FSW. Buy. That's it. We're live for about an hour and 34 minutes. Thank you all for being here and being kind to the channel. On that note, I'm gonna keep on checking stuff out. Keep on checking stuff out. Right, so I'll go there and let's go back here, man. Yeah, just want me to look at something, let me know, and we'll definitely look at it. But right now, I'm going to start looking at the other stuff we look at. Gold and silver right now, right? What is happening with gold? What is happening with silver? Gold. Getting above the 20, taking a bounce, right? Sitting at, sorry, that's the 1 hour. Let's go on the daily. Not the 20 yet. But we're taking a bounce on the strong bullish divergence, which is okay. It's not a big bounce, but moving up slowly, nonetheless. Sitting at 1,870. Silver. At $23.07 again. You know, that bullish divergence pulled back up a little bit, but we still have that hidden bullish. That's what's propping us to the upside, right? And anyways, on that move, look at that, beautiful measure move hit, boom, off the triangle pattern. So good stuff, right? Let's go look at the Dow. Again, 52 points, very little, right? So again, we're still looking for this hidden bullish to play. That's Dow live. No, it's Dow actual market. This is Dow live, still going up today, right? On the same hidden bullish, waiting for it to finish playing out, right? Sitting at 26,963 points. It's getting 100 points today. S&P up 9.67 points. Again, we still have this hidden bullish that we're waiting for it to play out. Starting to get that moving up. London down 102 points. Below the 20, rejecting, dude. I was thinking that we're going to move up today on London. Once we've gotten above the 20, we might go for a balance, but it looks like no way, man, right? Anyways, Nikkei down 258 points. The last thing we had was the bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish action to the downside, moving down still, losing the 20. Toronto up 95 points on the hidden bullish also, waiting for it to finish playing out. Let's Texas oil, man. West Texas, what is happening on West Texas oil? We're taking a nice balance. We've got below 20, getting above the 20 right now, which is good. Are we doing something? No, high to low, right? High to low. So yeah, I'm not gonna call anything here on oil yet. Good move on the 20 though. We have the hidden bullish. That's the only thing we had. Brent oil. What's happening there? Brent oil. Again, hidden bullish. Going up, hitting that 20, rejecting, hitting that 20 again, and at the 20 right now. Are we going to reject or are we going to hold, dude? It's just going to depend, really. We don't have anything besides the hidden bullish. That's about it. If we reject the 20, we could be looking for lower areas of value, right? Maybe create some strong bullish divergence, but that's going to be about it for oil. Thank you for tuning in and watching. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. Don't be a stranger. Like the channel. What are we going to look at now? Oh no! We finished doing what we do. What are we going to look at now? There's no requests. Like, no more requests. We already did plenty of requests. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 requests today. Great, man. I'm not even sure who's still watching, but thank you all for being here. If you're watching, say hi. That way I know you're here. Everyone that's watching on DLive, on Twitch, on Periscope, and on YouTube, thank you for being here. Follow as well, right? If you're on like this platforms or subscribing, it's a pay thing. Just follow the channel. For reals. You're gonna like it. Rich Satoshi, hi. How's it going, bro? Never been here. And saying hi. And Steve is still here and says hi. Awesome. Steve, dude. It's so amazing that you're still here with us, bro. For reals. By the way, remember, Saturday, I'm going to have the interview with Decentralized from the DVT project, right? Time still to be agreed on. I think we said Saturday early, 11 in the morning Central Time. So I think that's the time the interview is going to be. For some of you, it might be 9 in the morning. For some of you, it might be later on. But we'll see, right? So Bitcoin tomorrow looks meh. Dude, I'm not sure yet. Let's go back to Bitcoin. What do we set for Bitcoin, dude? What do we have in target for Bitcoin? Yeah. I don't think tomorrow looks meh. It should be a okay day. We had some bearish, right? We're moving down again, trying to hold on to this area. Could go for that next rally. Maybe target 10,837. If we target that and we reject, we could be looking for a movement down, right? But then we have the strong bearish here, and then we have the hidden bearish on the 4-hour, right? And we're trying to hold on to this area. I don't think it's meh, dude. I think it's going to be exciting because if it loses 10,600, you could say hello to 10,200 again, which would be probably scary. The 21st and then probably that area. Right now, we'd be expecting for this to maybe go up a little bit more, right? I'm thinking we're going to get a hit at that 10,837. Right on consolidation that we're making, particularly, right? Look, impulse up, consolidation, impulse up, right? We had the bearish divergence. We haven't tanked massively, right? We're just kind of holding on to this. We're going to look at another chart for that flag formation, right? Look at this flag formation, right? It looks like we're mellowing out. We could try to go for that next rally, right? Get to that 10,800 and change target that we have here. Oh, snap. Now, I do have Spotify ads coming in. I haven't heard any Spotify ads throughout the night for the hour and 45 minutes that we've been live. Right now, I heard one. That's weird. Maybe I'm just like tuning them out automatically because I'm talking about other stuff. Or that one was probably super loud. Play that. Put it on random. It's on random. You can target 10,837, right? That's the target. Again, beautiful pattern consolidation that we're making. For some reason, Gemini chart is missing an hour, 2 hours of trading. The 6 and the 7. Maybe they were doing maintenance or something. But here we have it on another chart, right? And we have this nice formation here. Again, we could tank here, right, on weakness. Like I've seen that happen before. So I wouldn't be super weirded out by it. Something else that we're doing here, right? We're playing with this line here as resistance for some reason. I don't know why I trace this line as resistance. I don't know when I trace this line as resistance. But it seems like we got above it and now we're weakening it and we're trying to break outside of this line, whatever it was. Right, anyways, I think I did that today. Just messing around with an idea here, right, on the daily, right? Then we're getting above. Look at that beautiful wick touch, and then run away again. Again, I have many charts, and I just play around with different ideas throughout the day when I get a chance. Sometimes I'm super busy with work, and I just don't have a chance to play around. But Rich, do you want to look at something? I mean, you said hi, but if you want to look at something, let me know. And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel because I'll take your crypto otherwise. Nah, I'm kidding. We can't take crypto. You have keys and passwords and everything. Anyways, yeah, dude, that's what's happening here, right? Getting that move, going up, right? Hitting this area here. For some reason, I have a line there. I don't know what line I have there on this chart. Looks like it's going to be a fib node. 618. Betting that's the 618. 100%. Nope. 100%? Is it the one I have there on the 4 hour? Maybe it's 100% retrace. I'm not sure. Yeah. 100%, right? So I already went over that 100%. That 100% was way back here, right? Now we're going higher. I need to change the fib nodes. But again, we're facing their resistance. Seems to be an area we have resistance for some reason. Yeah, Steve, I don't think it's going to be meh. I think it's going to be, I think it could get interesting tomorrow. It's Friday. Remember, the weekend's gonna be upon us. Saturday there will be no stream. I'm going out of town. I'm just gonna have the interview with D earlier. It's gonna be live. You guys can catch me there. After the stream, I might do something quickly on crypto. A live stream, very very quick live stream on crypto, and then after that I'm leaving town, so I'll do stream again on Sunday. But just to let you guys know today that there will not be a stream on Saturday night as usual. Alright, I'll just be earlier than usual. What else? What's up with y'all? I think I'm just gonna call it a stream, bro. Like, chat seems to be semi-dead. No requests coming through. I think the viewers that we had have parted with us. I'm not even sure on who's watching here. George Foreman joined. I'm not sure if George Foreman is still watching, but thank you, George Foreman, for being here today. Cryptic, thanks for being here today, man. Jake, Andrew, Steve, Willie earlier on. I'm not sure if Willie, you sticked around for me to do VT. Rich Satoshi, thank you for being here, man. I'm not sure if you left as well. Who else was here, man? There was another guy earlier. Timothy Crash, thank you for being here as well, man. I think almost everyone, dude. Talking Discord tomorrow. Yeah, bro, I'm not sure how free I'm going to be tomorrow. I have a heavy work day, but we'll talk about Discord, right? I'll try to be more or less aware there. Anyways, thank you for being here, guys. Check out Falcon Swap, right? It might do something. Jake, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. On that note, I'm going to call it a stream for tonight. If you like what we do, you know what to do, guys. It's a pleasure hosting you here. And hit that like, that bell, and that sub. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of The State of Crypto. Until then.